U-Irvin Barnes wehlule uZandile Myeni ngamavoti angu-280, yena othole amavoti angu-190.
For now, all I know is that they don't respect and acknowledge the processes that we did today, but achieving that goal of them accepting us as duly elected leadership is going to be a process.
Uthi into emqoka kuye njengamanje ukwakha ubumbano kuleli qembu njengoba amanye amalungu engafune nakizwa eyale ngqungquthela.
Our priority is to forge unity, is also to try and engage with the other side that is disgruntled. Many people were here, but some were not here. So that some that wasn't here, we need to go try and engage with it, try and lend the olive branch to them, try and find an amicable solution, because at the end of the day, for the National Freedon Party to move forward, to grow in numbers, to get into provinces where we were not in, we all need each other.
Uhlangothi Lwe Nfp luthi leli qembu okwamanje alinazo inhlelo zokusebenzisana namanye amaqembu ngokubusa ngokubambisana.
This current national executive that was duly elected today hasn't taken any decisions, forging coalitions and forging relationships with other various organizations. We will engage as the national executive. We will want to forge relationships that best suits our organization.
Uhlangothi Lwe Nfp obelungekho kule ngqungquthela luthi luyayeshwama kanti ke luzoba nesithangami sabezindaba kusasa.
Njengeqembu asibazi labantu abahleli ingqungquthela, asibazi laba bantu ukuthiwa bangenele izikhundla zobuholi.
Ingqungquthela yokugcina yokuqoka ubuholi be-NFP yasingathwa ngo-2011 kulandela ukushona komholi weqembu ngo-2021 uZanele kaMagwaza Msibi. Kuningi ungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwamalungu e-NFP nokuze kwaholela ekutheni i-IEC ikhiphe umyalelo wokuthi lithukuma kancane ukungenela ukhetho lize ke lixazulule izinkinga elibhekene nazo.